Energy bars from the Omnia oven pan. Burnt bars. Of course not, it's actually very simple. Welcome to Cooking on 1 Square Meter. I'm Ma, and I love cooking in our campervan. I often use my Omnia oven pan, just like today. Because space is limited, I work systematically. I prepare as much as possible in small bowls. For 8 bars, you need 60 grams pitted dates, a handful of mixed seeds, 90 grams rolled oats, 70 grams mixed unsalted nuts, 1 egg, 4 tablespoons of water, 50 grams honey, and optionally some brown sugar. Let's get started. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4 tablespoons of water. Add the egg, the honey, and I like to add a little brown sugar. It makes the bars slightly crispier. After all, it's holiday. Mix everything well. Fill the molds and press the mixture down firmly. Place the rack inside the pan first. Arrange the silicone molds so they touch the sides as little as possible. You'll notice that where the mold touches the pan, the bars will be slightly darker. No need to preheat the pan. Put the lid on. Make sure the pan is exactly centered on your burner. I use the largest burner. Start with high heat for about 10 minutes, or until around 170 degrees Celsius. Then reduce to medium heat for 10 minutes, and finally 5 minutes on low. Also, trust your nose. You'll smell it if the heat is too high. Be careful with the lid and pan. It's extremely hot. Let the pan cool down for about 10 minutes first. Then remove the bars from the molds, place them back on the rack, and let them cool completely. That's when they become nice and crispy. Perfect with a cup of coffee or tea. We'll enjoy the view a bit longer and recharge with these energy bars. See you in the next video. Ma.